Hello again, and in this video we will be talking about quadratic formula, also known as almighty formula. It is derived from a method of completing the square. That's completing the square method for solving quadratic equations. Okay, so moving on. Basically, this is the form of a quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, using method of completing the square, first of all we have to divide all through by the coefficient of x squared, and this gives us x squared because a cancels a plus b over a x plus c over a equal to 0. Now we are going to move this over here, so this gives us x squared plus b over a x is equal to minus c over a. Well, this is similar to cubic symmetric identities. Okay, now as I said, the basic thing about a method of completing the square is that we are going to take half square of the coefficient of x. Now the coefficient of x here is b over a square. So if I'm taking b over a, if I'm taking half square of it, half square of it, it's going to give me b over 2a all squared. B over 2a squared. Now I'm going to add this to both sides of the equation, giving me x squared plus b over a x plus b over 2a squared equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a squared. Now if I'm factorizing the whole of this, I simply get x plus b over 2a squared. Good. So if you open this, you still get this back. So I just simply factorized it. Moving on to this side, this gives us minus c over a plus, now I'm going to take the square of each of them, b square over 4a square. That I just b over 2a times b over 2a. Now moving forward, this gives us x plus b over 2a all square is equal to, I'm going to take the LCM between this two. This gives me 4a squared. Now 4a squared divided by a gives me 4a times c gives me minus 4ac. Now 4a squared divided by 4a squared gives me 1 times b gives me b squared because of the square. Okay, moving on. This now I am simply going to I'm going to rearrange this first. Gives me x plus b over 2a all square equal to, I'm simply rearranging this, b square minus 4ac giving me b square minus 4ac over 4a square. Now all I'm going to take the square root of both sides to remove this square that I'm transferring to the other side. It gives me x plus b over 2a equal to plus or minus square root. Don't forget, when you're transferring square root, it's going to be plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 4a square. So moving on with this, I get x plus b over 2a equal to plus or minus, I can get the square of this. Okay, so it's going to be square root of only the numerator, b squared minus 4ac. Not going to be easy to take that. So here gives me 2a. Just took the square of the denominator, 4a squared, which is 2a. Now I'm going to collect like terms. I'm going to move b over 2a to the other side, leaving x alone, making x equal to the formula. Gives me b over 2a, that's minus b over 2a. I just move this here, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now they have the same denominator, so it's going to be really easy to take the LCM. So this gives me my x to be equal to 2a. Now I have the numerator minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Now this is my quadratic formula, also known as almighty formula. Okay, in the next video I'm going to use this to solve one or two examples because of my time and also the spirit of this video. So if the video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.